on there, YouTube? It's your boy TitanicFeet Jack back at you again with another video. Before we get into today's heat, I'd like to send a shout out to the TF gang. How y'all doing out there? Let me know how y'all feeling. Drop a comment off in the comment section. Let me know what's happening with y'all. Not getting into today's shoot, you see the box. Got something a little different today, a little tease for y'all today. Let's go ahead and look at the box. You see the black Jumpman box, and you probably say, what's this? But some of you may know what shoe is in this box because you may have seen the video from another YouTuber or so on these, but let's go ahead and check it out. You see that gold Jordan Jumpman at the top, in the middle of the box. Let's go ahead and read the label. You see that 2-3 gold right here. We're going to read the label. It says Air Jordan 1 mid, color black, gem red, white, size 14, personal pair, price $115 US. Let's go ahead and take these out of the box. Flip that box lid. No QC sticker, no stamp. Go ahead and look at the paper. You see your white paper, kind of smooth. Got the gold 2 3s on it. And just take them out the box. Yes, we got the Band 1 mids. Check it out. Yep. I'm going to get the other sneaker out of the box. I'm going to give y'all a 360 view of the shoe like I normally do here on this channel. And I'm going to come back with it and we're going to jump into the video. Yes, guys, we got the Air Jordan 1 mid band. We're going to get into it. I'll give you a little backdrop on what happened. I got the alert on the Nike Plus app that I had exclusive access to this sneaker. And I reacted real quickly because I know with exclusive access, the sizes and the product tends to sell out real quickly. So I went on and copped my size, not thinking about it. After I made the purchase, I was like, wow, this is my first pair of Jordan 1 mids. So I was anticipating on what would it be like to own a pair of Jordan 1 mids. So when they came, I sat on them for a few days before I actually recorded this video. And I'm looking down and I'm like, damn, these aren't half bad. But getting into the video, looking at the upper, you got the gem red colorway that's going around the ankle collar. It's going on half of the eyelids. You got the gem red Nike swoosh. You got gem red toe box and heel. You have an Air Jordan Wings logo in black. You got your black color blocking as well and your mud guard. Now, the leather quality on the gem red part, got a spot on here I'm trying to get off. The leather quality on the gem red part and the black are two totally different materials of leather. Here on the red, it seems kind of soft and tumble. Looking at your midsole, you got a white midsole with gem red at the very bottom, which leads to the outsole. You have a All gem red outsole. Look just like on your Air Jordan 1s. Looking at the heel of the sneaker, you have that gem red heel. All the way up, you got that gem red tab. And all the way on top, you got that black on your ankle collar to top it all off. Looking at the inside of the sneaker, you got more of that gem red that's wrapped around the ankle collar and your heel. And the Nike swoosh coming from the other side. And you have that little piece right here on the eyelids. You got an all black color blocking right here. And you got the black on the mud guard going around to the toe box. And your midsole is the same from the other side, white midsole with the gem red at the very bottom. Here's a closer look at what I was talking about with that leather on the toe box. It actually looks kind of soft and tumble. Look at that. Y'all seen that? Not sure if the camera picking that up. This leather is kind of soft to say it's a Jordan 1 mid. Granted, this is my first pair of mids, but this is some pretty good leather. Comment below if you are a regular buyer of Jordan 1 mids. Let me know what's this leather like compared to any other mid you happen to have in your collection. But the toe box is that gem red colorway, nice grain of leather. And you got your tongue. Your tongue, you got that nylon tongue, which is black. And you got the patch. This is different from Jordan 1s as well. Got the Jumpman with air underneath. Comes with one set of laces. You got the black flat laces. You got an all black sock liner. Let's get you a closer look. Here's your cardboard shoe tree, size 13-14. You see your Jordan Jumpman. Nothing major. Regular cardboard shoe tree. And let's look at the inside of the sneaker. You have an all black sock liner. You also have an all black insert. You have a gem red Jordan Jumpman inside. Let's go ahead and look at the back of the tongue. Here you go. It says US size 14. Production date, June 16th. Wow, my birthday. To August the 6th. So you have about 2 months of production on these. Comment below, guys. Let me know what you think of this Jordan 1 mid band. Oh man, that's kind of cool. They actually started this production on my birthday. Let me know what y'all think of this sneaker. Leave it in the comment section. I'm actually gonna rock these to see what these feel like. I haven't put them on my feet yet. So I'm actually gonna be putting these on my feet. I'm gonna put these feet to ground. That's what I do when I get these sneakers in my size. I put them feet to ground. So as I wrap the video up, I like to see if you can help, like I always tell y'all, if you can help somebody get a sneaker, help them get that sneaker, because you never know when it will be your turn to need the help getting the sneaker. I'm TitanicFeet Jack, and I'm signing out. You heard me?